Good morning everyone, we're back on the Datsun 1000 Ute this morning and we are continuing on and buttoning up the front end. We're going to finish fixing the chassis rails. Well, the actual chassis rails are in, but this morning we're doing the radiator crossmember lower rail, the radiator support lower rail. So I just jumped down the pit, hang on. So anyway, as you can see, I've got the chassis rails in. The cross members in at the moment. Doesn't have to be, but it's just in spot. So no more rusty chassis rails. But yeah, I got these brackets here made up. These braces. So they've got to be welded in, and then I've got to clean up these radius rod brackets, and they have to go somewhere here, like that, I think, or like that. Yeah. Anyway, I've got to put the control arms in, so I can bolt the radius rods and get these in the right spot. But yeah, obviously they've got to be cleaned up first. Get the rusty metal out that doesn't need to be on them, like all of this here, that's not supposed to be there. That's old metal. So yeah, I'll get into that. We'll see if we can get them in by the end of the day. There's no reason why we shouldn't. And then we've got to continue on and fix this mess up so that I can weld this bracket back in that goes here somewhere like this. All right, anyway, I'm going to get into it. Let's go. Well, it's a little bit different. Definitely cleaned up a bit better than they were. So I'm going to get one side done, then I'll come back and do the other side. Okay, there's one side done, as you can see. I've still got some welds to grind down there, but I'll get to those when I pull the cross member out again, just so I've got a bit more room to get on them. So you can see the front of the radius rod is coming through pretty evenly, so that's good. And she's welded in nicely. Took a bit of cleaning up, but I had to get these control arms off. That took most of the morning because the ball joint, when I was trying to get them out, the ball joint was just spinning inside of the housing, and the nut was stuck. So I had to get inventive, and I got them out, but they're a bit worn. They've got a bit of play in them, so might see if we can get some other new ones. Can get them, but they're expensive, like $250 a side. I'm not sure if you can see that movement up and down. Anyhow, I've got to do the other side now, so I've got to clean up the other side radius rod bracket, like I did the other one. Not sure this one's not quite as bad, but similar. Anyway, we'll get onto it, see how far we can get. We've got a couple of hours left of the day. If I can get that bracket cleaned up, then ready to go in, then I'll be happy. Tuesday morning, guys. Tuesday morning. We got this side finished, and this side's ready to weld in. I've got everything organised, so we'll have a look from underneath. Sorry, we'll get rid of this light, put it over the side. Oh, wrong way. Anyway, yeah, so that's far, far better than what it looked when I got it here. It's all nice, clean metal, and Radius rods are in. They're moving nice and free, no binding. So, bloody awesome. So now we're doing this side here. This is ready to go. All the plug welds are welded up. We're just gonna weld this here. Like so. And that one's ready to go as well. So we'll get that welded in this morning, and then we're going to move to the back and fix up this big hole here before we move to either one of these sides to do the outer sections. So moving along quite well. It's only Tuesday morning, still got the rest of the week to go. We're going to get onto it. All right, we got the got this corner done. That's all finished. So now I was going to move back to that, but then I forgot about the front lower radiator support here. So I'm going to actually weld this in instead. So plan of attack is I've already I've scribed out a line because I've got to drill some plug weld holes. Yes, I'm plug welding. I don't have a spot welder yet. One day I will. They're expensive, guys. So subscribe, like, and you know, all that shit. Anyway, so yeah, I've scribed out the lines where I've got to drill the plug weld holes. I'm going to take it off now. I'm going to cut this line because I've marked it with my Sharpie, as you can see. I've got to cut it just on the edge of that Sharpie line. But I'm going to leave a little tab so I can still cleco it on, and I'll weld along, and then I'll get my little reciprocating saw in there and I'll cut that tab off. So both sides. That's my plan of attack, and I'm just going to do it. Okay, it's Wednesday morning. We've got the front end welded in, as you can see. So now we're going to move on to closing up this hole down here. That hole there. So I still do have some welds to grind, messy welds, so I'm going to do that a little bit because it's still early. I'll do that a little bit later. I'll get into welding in a new piece of tin down there first, because I can't do the last little bit of chassis rail until I've welded that in. And then we can do the last few bits of rust. Okay, so I'm going to get into that. I'll show you what I've done a little bit later. You know what? You know what's going on. Come on, let's go. Okay, so most people get very disheartened over this shit. I just find it really amusing. Anyway, I'll show you what I just found. There's a bit of body filler here, so I thought I'd chip it out. Wow, you can even see light up through there. Wow, this car was so unsafe. Anyhow, have a look from the inside as well. So, yeah, I've just got this made up anyway, which goes here. But yeah, wow. And yeah, down here too. So this Dynamat, well, it's Car Builders. Well, it's not even Car Builders, it's a different brand. That's got to come up, and that's not easy to get up because, yeah, she's pretty rusty under there. I might just have to cut around it. Yeah, well, you can see daylight where it's just cracked through up here. See that? Yeah, she's gonna need some good surgery. This thing was just about ready to break in half. Seriously. All right. It's a gift that keeps on giving. So we found another rust hole just here. So, got all of this side here to fix. I'm going to start at the top and work my way down. I was trying to work out which skins I got to pull off, because this has got to come off because there's rust up in here as well. So we're going to start by cutting this bit out. I was thinking this was going to be like a full plenum, but just under there is the inside of the car, so I don't think that needs to come out because there won't be anything rusty under there. I've already checked. So just this corner here for now. I'll probably end up making this new section again. Once that's out, then I can look at how much of this I need to cut out. But yeah, I've got to open this whole corner up so I can start my way down. I enjoy this, believe it or not. Rightio, we got some pretty stuff. Wah. So I took this off. It goes here, something like that. Where's it go? There. Goes there, something like that. Anyway, took it off. Even that's got a bit of rust in it. So I'm going to try and save this because it's a complicated part and it will save time if I can just fix that bit. I'll blast it up and I'll see what happens. But yeah. Anyway, we've got a rust here. So as you can see, she's not pretty. And the same down here, big hole. So what I've been doing today is making this bit here. So this bit here, it's not finished yet, so it's not 100% fit. It goes right here like this. But yeah, as I said, she needs a bit more tweaking. But yeah, I made it in two pieces. I welded it through here. I've got to tidy the weld up a bit more. A little bit more tweaking and it will fit. Sweet. So yeah, a bit of twisting, bit of bending, and it'll go on. Trust me, it will. It has to. Anyway, I had to make it before I cut that bit out so I knew what the shape was roughly. And once this is out, it'll fit better too. So trying to fit it over the top of it, it's not going to work. So yeah, sort of, yeah, you know what I mean. So yeah, it's the end of the week, I'm knocking off. So we'll come back again on Monday and we'll get stuck into cutting that rust out of that corner. Apparently, so I've been told, the other side's worse. So yeah, all right, anyway. Yeah, I'm going to sign off here. You know the drill. Like and subscribe, all that sort of shit. And I will catch you when I'm looking at you. See you guys.